Welcome to the channel. Finally a break in this rubbish UK weather and we have a beautiful fine day. That can only mean one thing. I'm bringing out the Ninja Woodfire Grill and today I'm cooking a classic chicken BLT. This one is so simple, made that little bit nicer with a little added smoke while we're in grill setting. We'll be adding some chicken to a simple garlic and herb marinade. We'll be also knocking up a quick burger sauce which I think finishes off this chicken BLT just right. Just before we begin, if you're wondering what this little contraption is, I did a full review around this time last year. There's a link coming up on the screen for that now. One of my rules for cooking and most barbecue cooking is get as much prep as you can get done ahead. This means we can spend more time concentrating on getting the most important thing right, and that is grilling the chicken. Okay, let's get cracking. Firstly, we'll make the chicken marinade. We'll begin by finely chopping 2 sprigs of rosemary, enough for about 2 tablespoons. If you don't have fresh, feel free to use dried herbs. You could also swap this out for some dried oregano. We'll add this to a large dish. Next, add 2 teaspoons of garlic paste or 2 crushed garlic cloves. Follow this with a good glug of olive oil. Mix well to form a thick paste. If the mixture is a little dry, add a little bit more olive oil. Lastly, a simple pinch of salt and pepper. This recipe will serve 2 hungry people, so today I'm using 2 chicken breasts. This recipe will easily double. Now we'll butterfly the chicken. Start by cutting into the thickest part of the breast and cut all the way down and open the chicken breast out like a book. Flatten gently with the palm of your hand. Repeat with your other chicken breast. Now lay one breast on some cling wrap and cover with another layer. It's probably safe to say at this stage you've done a neater job than me. Now give a good old bash with a rolling pin or heavy base pan until the chicken breast is about 1 centimetre in thickness. Again, repeat this procedure with your other piece of chicken. This will ensure the chicken cooks through at a very high temperature before it starts to burn. Place the prepared breasts in your marinade and give everything a really good mix through. Coat that chicken the best that you can. Pop in the fridge to marinate for about 3 hours or overnight if you wish. Now for our delicious herby mustard mayo. To a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, a good squirt of American mild mustard, another good squirt of a hot sauce of your choice. I'm using sriracha. Follow this by a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, and finally a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix everything well and there you have a very good sauce fit for gracing any burger. Now it's time to prepare the woody. Today I'm filling my hopper with some applewood pellets. It's essential that we preheat, turn to grill and medium setting and press start. Remember to hit the Woodfire flavour button too. Whilst we wait for preheat, we'll add a dash of olive oil to our buns, followed by a pinch of salt. The add food is illuminated, so I guess it's time to cook. Add your burger buns to the grill and leave for about 20 seconds. Do not take your eyes off these or they burn really quickly. Right, it's time to remove. Remember, watch these closely or you'll be off to the shop to buy some more because you've burnt your buns. Now it's time to add the chicken. If it's been in the fridge, I do recommend that you remove it about 30 minutes before your cook. That sizzle is exactly the sound we're looking for. Just in case you didn't know, the B in BLT stands for bacon, so let's throw a couple of rashers on. Close the lid and we'll be back to check this in about 5 minutes. Now we are back to flip. Now look at those grill marks on that chicken breast. We are looking pretty good. We will pop the lid down and leave between 5 and 7.5 minutes. Definitely no more than 10. Just a quick check with the instant read thermometer and you'll see that these aren't quite at 75°, so I'm just going to flip them once more and leave them for an extra couple of minutes. While we wait, we'll add a good old dollop of burger sauce to our pre-grilled burger buns. Now at this point I'm absolutely starving. Firstly, place 2 pieces of your chicken on the bottom of one bun, followed by 1 rasher of that lovely grilled bacon, some lettuce, chop if you like, and of course lastly a slice of tomato. And there we have it, a pretty damn good chicken BLT. As you can notice, I've only built 1 burger today. I'll be using the spares to reheat later. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe.